Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create moving images in After Effects. Creating moving images in After Effects involves animating still images or graphic elements to bring them to life. So first, choose the image layer you want to animate and press P to bring up the position property. Set a keyframe at the starting point by clicking on the stopwatch icon next to position. Then move the playhead to another point in the timeline. Then move the image in the composition panel to create a new position keyframe. The image will animate between the two positions. Press S to bring up the scale property, and you can set keyframes to make the image grow or shrink over time. Press R to bring up the rotation property. Set keyframes to rotate the image as it moves. Press T to bring up the opacity property. Set keyframes to fade the image in or out by adjusting the opacity from 0 to 100%. I'll just follow the steps on how I set keyframes and the position property. Then once you're satisfied with your work, press the spacebar to preview your animation or adjust any keyframes timing or effects as needed. By following these steps, you can create dynamic moving images and After Effects, perfect for presentations, social media content, or adding visual interest to your video projects. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.